Hello, my name is Donnie Oropeza at InfoComm 2026 at the Broadfield Pavilion. I'm representing QuickLink, and today we're showing off our full production switcher. This is our control panel for our switcher that uses Companion to help customize all the buttons on the control surface, whether you want macros, PTZ control, all of it integrates with our production switcher. That's an all-in-one system that allows for scene setup, rather than mix effects, media player, streaming, as well as ISO recording and program record. We also give you a multi-view out so you can see your inputs that are coming in, preview and program. Nice thing about our systems is we have a bunch available, whether you need an NDI version, SDI 3G, or even if you want to go up to 12G connectors, we have a system for everybody, whether it's house of worship, corporate, or even government. Again, my name is Donnie Oropeza. You can visit our website at quicklink.tv. Feel free to book a demo with us online.